Maths Live. I know we've already got some shout outs. We've got Sam in Nottingham, we've got Hallie Beth, we've got Heidi, I think it was in Broughton, I'll have to check. Hello everyone. Your starter challenge for today, a bit of a mathematical brain teaser. We're starting at 39 and you've got to work down the boxes each step and then you'll get to an answer. So work through it really carefully, see which answer you'll get, and I'll keep doing some shout outs. Yep, Heidi Broughton in Northamptonshire, hello. Hi Harry in Nottingham. Hi Maya in Sunderland. Wow, already got an answer. Brilliant. Hi Kieran, hi Austin. Hi Ellie in Chelmsford. Hi Lucia. I love that my mum's trying to message me while I'm trying to teach. Hi Lachlan. Hi Evie. Oh wow. Got some. Hi Lily in year 6. Oh yeah. Gosh, lots of answers. Thank you, Maya. Yes. Love this t-shirt. We did this in the competition, didn't we? So Evie and Harry, I know they've got theirs. It's lovely pictures of them. Right, see as you've sent the answers, we'll get started. If you're still working, don't worry. A good way to do this is just, keep making notes as you go along rather than keeping it in your head. So 39 plus, oops, Daisy. Oh, managed not to get it on my top then somehow. So 39 plus 9, so 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Right. So 48, a quarter of 48. That means how many 4s are in 48? So that's 12. 12 times by 3, so 1 12 is 12, 2 12 is 24, 3 12 is 36. And then 36 divided by 9, so 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. Times by itself, for 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. How many 7s are in 21? So 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. 8 times by 3, so 3 times by 8. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24. And then you've got to quarter 24, that means you divide it by 4. So 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Okay, well done if you got that right. It's sunny again today. Well, it's not raining, loads. I don't know if it's raining where you are, but it's a bit brighter today. I have to say, well done again for yesterday. I'm so impressed. I'm very impressed that a lot of people gave that challenge question a go. If you haven't seen it, just get your mum or dad to scroll back on the page. Because I had a lot of people doing it and then their parents sending me the answers. And some of you got it right, some of you just needed a little bit of help. And that was really good, and it's really good that even though if you're not in year 6, the challenge of just giving it a go, and is just amazing, just giving it a go. So really, really well done. Today, we're finishing angles, but a bit differently. So we can leave behind all that tricky calculating. We've done it, we've achieved it. Now we're going to do angles as position and direction. It does come up sometimes in year 6, but again it's something that's not really taught. It's part of it is assumed that you'll know it, and it kind of gets missed, and then sometimes if you're doing your SATs and there's a question on it, it's like, oh what, I've never actually been taught this in class. So the 3 questions that I put up were these. So question 1, we had question 2, we had question 3. Question 1 was how many degrees, so how many degrees are in a full turn? Okay. The next question was, I face north. I face north. We're using north, east, south, west today. I face north and turn 90 degrees clockwise. Where am I? And the last one was, I face west and turn 270 degrees anti-clockwise. I'm not going to write anti, I'm going to put A-C-W in future rather than writing all out. So where am I? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to give that a go if you haven't already done so. And I'll be back. I'm just going to do some shout outs. Let's have a look. Oh, I got worried then because my screen had frozen, but we're still there. We're still all good. Alright, let's see where I'm up to. Hello, Aaron. Thank you for joining in. Hi, Tom and Broughton. Hello, Adriana. Hi, Noah in Year 5. Hi, Kenyon in Norwich. Hi, Iona in Year 3 in Tunbridge Wells. Oh, glad you've been joining in. That's lovely. Oh, got some answers coming in. Let's just have a look. Becky Smith, you've just asked if I have a YouTube channel. I do have a YouTube channel. You can catch up with all these lessons on YouTube without having to go onto your parents' Facebook page. So just search Tuition by Steph, and all the videos are up there, and I put them on as soon as possible after the lesson, and you can do it in your own time, and you can pause it if you like. So yeah, they go straight up afterwards. Great question. Right, how many degrees were in a full turn? So remember, when we're talking about a full turn, it's we're facing one way. I'm going to have to move this, I'm going to move it now actually. I'm going to put it over here. So, because remember I said yesterday we're going to be standing up and moving around a lot more. So a full turn is when you're facing one direction and then you spin. Okay, you have to move around and you face back where you started. But we're talking about angles here. So if you go from facing one way, so say if I'm facing north, and then I go to east, I have done a 90-degree turn. Because, if I bring this back, if I get a full turn, so I'm starting here and I go all the way around, that's a circle. And a circle is split up by 90, 90, 90, 90. And 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s 27, 4 9s are 36. So a full spin, a full turn, a full pirouette, however you want to call it, is 360 degrees. Right, another thing we need to remember is the rules of direction on the compass. Remember, use a compass for direction. So the term I used to use, and people of my age used to use, was north was at the top, east, south, west. Now I'm sure you lot will have some sort of way of remembering which way around it is. We used to say never eat shredded wheat. Never eat shredded wheat, but it might have changed. People have different ones. So, for this one, I face north, so I'm here. And turn 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm doing 1/4 turn, and I turn clockwise. So remember, a clock turns this way, it ticks this way. Okay, goes round like that. So if I face north and I turn 90 degrees clockwise, that means I end up at east. So I'm facing east. Second one, I face west. So I'm here. and turn 270 degrees anti-clockwise. Right, 270. Why have I used 270 there? It must be something to do with 90 degrees. So we've got 90 is 1, and then we know that a straight line half a spin is 180. We know a full spin is 360, so a 3/4 spin is 270. So I'm just going to get rid of this, make some room. Okay, so if I'm facing west here, and I turn 270 degrees, so that's what, and we're going anti-clockwise. So I'm going this way this time. So that's 90, so I've done one lot of 90, and then I've done 2 lots of 90, and then I've done 3 lots of 90. So I am north. I'm facing north. It can be, I think the most confusing parts can be east and west, remembering which way is east and which way is west. When you're doing 270 degrees, and just remembering to do clockwise or anti-clockwise. I find that when it's in a question, it's just like when you misread, you know when you order numbers from smallest to largest, it says, hey, here's a set of numbers, order them from largest to smallest. And sometimes you don't read the question, you do it the other way around. That's a bit like clockwise and anti-clockwise. So, I've already showed you what 360 degrees looks like and how to split into, so it would be, again, 360 degrees, so that's 90. Go down here, if I go all the way across, that's 180. If I go all the way around, that's 270. And if I go all the way around, completely back to the beginning, where I'm facing, it's 360 degrees. So let's try another question. So let me think. Try to think of a way of doing it. Jack is in his garden. Okay, Jack's in his garden and he is planting some seeds and he's facing west. Okay, and he hears a noise behind him, so he turns 180 degrees clockwise. Where is he facing? So where is he? So Jack's facing west, he's gardening, he hears a noise, so he turns 180 degrees clockwise. Where is he? Let's see if I can get some answers up. Oh, got some more shout outs. Hi Ethan, hi Kieran, hi Ellie and Barwell, hi Isaac in Essex. Naughty elephants squirt water. I've never heard of that one. You were all saying the same one. East, right. Isaac in Essex, hello. Naughty elephants squirt water. I like that. I was trying to think of some different ones because kids don't really eat spreading wheat. So I was trying. That's a really good one. You've taught me something there, guys. I love that. So he's facing west. So draw your compass. Naughty elephants squirt water. I'm going to use that from now on. So he's facing west and he turns 180 degrees clockwise. Where is he? So clockwise is this way. So there he turns 90 and he turns another 90, was 180 degrees. So he is facing east. Okay, he's facing east. Right, I'm going to get you to do something. I want you to stand up. Okay. I'm not going to do it, I'm going to let you guys do it. I want you to stand up. I want you to pick a direction which is north. Okay, so it could be facing your computer, it could be facing a door, facing a picture on the wall. And you're going to listen to my instructions. Okay? And this is going to be multi-step, so listen really, really carefully. If you need to turn the sound up a little bit and you're not disturbing anyone, do it. Okay. Give you a second to get ready. So you're facing north. Okay. You turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise to pick up a cookie. Then you do a 180 spin because your dad has told you, don't eat that cookie. Where are you? Where have you ended up? What direction have you faced? Are you facing now? Let's have a look. Hi Adriana in Manchester. Hi Ellie in Chelmsford. Oh, you guys are quick. You guys are really, really quick. Yes, you're right. So you're facing north. You turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise to get the cookie. So you're facing west. And then you do. When I said you do 180, it doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise because you're still going to be facing east. Brilliant. Well done. Good. Right. We're already on to the 3 challenge questions. We're zooming through today. Oh no, there's 6 actually. So question 1, question 2, and question 3. I'm going to try and cover this up because you will answer the questions as quick as I write them. So you have to give me a second while I block the board. So I'm just putting the instructions, and I'd just like you to tell me where you're facing. So bet some of you are trying to see. There we go. And one more. Oh, it's exciting. What has she going to written? What's she written? Right, you ready? Steady, go. Let me see if it's still... There we go. Hello Daisy, thank you for joining. Wow, there's so many people joining in, it's amazing. Never ever shoot whales, that's a good one. Never ever shoot whales. Never eat soggy what's it. Oh, that's good. Oh, I've got some answers coming in. Oh. I think some of you have spotted the trick. I think you spotted the trick. So, I'll give you a second because I know some of you are finishing. The thing is with maths, you might struggle on one particular topic, like you might struggle on multiplication, division, but you can be really, really good at other topics that people struggle on, so never get disheartened if you say you struggle on, I don't know, fractions, because people's brains work in different ways, so some people can be more looking at, people can be really, really good at shape, but not necessarily as good at something else, and everyone's different, so never worry, okay? Right, so, yeah, the answers to all of them are south. Every time you're facing south. Let's try 3 more. Again, I'm going to cover it up so you can't see. So. Oh no, sorry, there's one problem. This is a big problem now. So. This is a good one. You have to work backwards. want it written down so I have to read it out. So this is different because I've not told you where I'm starting from. You've got to find that out. So I'm facing a direction after turning 270 degrees clockwise from east. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? So you've got to work backwards for this one. Oh, already answers coming in. Then I got 2, 3. Oh, got some. Oh, right, we've got some different answers. There's some different answers coming in, so double check. Double check. Make sure, because there's a few people now with different answers. So you're facing a direction after turning 270 degrees clockwise from east. So let's get... Okay, never eat soggy what's-its. I like that one too. So just draw out the compass. Okay, I love drawing when I'm doing word problems because it takes out, it breaks up the problem and it takes that things out. I'm trying not to do it as much mentally as on the page, so I love drawing when I do word problems. So I'm facing a direction after turning 270 degrees clockwise from east. So east is in there. And after turning 270 degrees clockwise from east. So I was east and I went clockwise 270. So there's 90, there's 180, and there's 270. So I was facing north. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yeah? Do you get it? I'm just going to see. Ah, right. I just wanted to see if people had corrected. Yes, well done. Good. I just wanted to see if people had corrected themselves. Yeah. So just remember, write it down, put it in, do it in stages. You don't have to do it in your head. Get it written down. That's just a quick lesson today because there's only so much of direction and compasses and angles that I can teach you. Because it is quite a quick topic, but there's a really, really good challenge question I'm going to put up now. It's from a SATs paper, but even if you're in year 3 and year 4 and year 5, give it a go, because it's one where a lot of people get it wrong, and I'm not really sure why. So have a look, give it a go. If you want any help, just send me a picture. Next week we're going to be doing algebra. And I'm really, really excited because I've planned the lessons and I've really broke it down. So even if you're in year 3 and year 4, you will be able to take part in some of the lessons. And if you're in year 5 and year 6, you will be challenged in other lessons. So have a lovely, lovely weekend. I'll put the challenge question up now and I'll see you on Monday.